Linking your bank account to Noom can help streamline your budgeting and financial tracking. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Noom app. Launch the Noom app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to access your account settings and preferences. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Settings menu, find and select the option for Payment or Financial Settings. This is where you will manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Choose Linked Bank Accounts. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank details. You may need to provide your bank login information or verify your identity to complete the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Noom, allowing for better financial management within the app.